Cédric Moreau. On est rendu au moment de l'année que j'adore. C'est le moment de dévoiler la nouvelle machine pour 2024. Donc, j'ai parti d'un Polaris Pro RMK 155. Le modèle de base avec le petit compteur standard, la petite suspension standard aussi. La raison est simple, c'est parce que je voulais sauver sur le coup, parce que c'est des pièces qui, pour moi, qui sont pas nécessaires. Comme la suspension, je la change de toute façon, donc ça me donne rien d'avoir la grosse suspension Walker Evans. J'ai parti d'un Pro RMK 155, il est maintenant transformé en Khaos 146.
Turn up the headphones a little bit. Hey. ISO. Let's get it.
Whoa. Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trying to top it. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost the stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping.
Sending emojis. I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She busted open for a real day. Stay timed up, trying to build it up, trying to count it up, hill figures. Don't be chillin' with no lil, no. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the fetty. I was just sitting back watching them fold. Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking slow. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we back to the bone. Yeah, flying flashy, ayy, ayy. We too fancy, ayy, ayy. Can't walk past me, ayy, ayy. Right up your alley, wait. I gotta play it safe. Watch me isolate, watch me isolate, ayy. Watch me isolate. Whoa. Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skin.
concernant des pièces ou peu importe, écrivez-moi en privé, ça me fait plaisir de vous aider du mieux que je peux.